বিজেপিএসে মমতার আমন্ত্রণে সস্ত্রীক ঝাড়খণ্ডের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী। পশ্চিমবঙ্গের শিল্প পরিবেশের প্রশংসায় হেমন্ত সোরেন। বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনের ফাঁকেই দুই মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর বৈঠক হয়।
जिस तरीके से हमारे बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ने प्रयास किया है, देश में भी दूसरे देशों के साथ बेहतर व्यापारिक रिश्ते, कई सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर, इंडस्ट्री को लेकर एक साथ चलने का एक कार्य योजना बनता है।
আমরা দেখলাম অষ্টম বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় তিনি রাজ্যের শিল্প বন্ধু ভাবমূর্তিকে তুলে ধরলেন। আর তখন অন্যদিকে দেশের শিল্পপতিরা, শীর্ষ শিল্পপতিরা তাঁদের মুখে বারবার মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের প্রশংসা।
My dear Mamta Didi, your name Mamta stands for empathy or compassion. But Didi, in your name stands for a tireless leader. You are empathy and energy personified.
বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন, নিউ টাউনের সম্মেলন থেকে একাধিক বিনিয়োগ ঘোষণা করলেন শিল্পপতিরা। একই সঙ্গে তাঁদের মুখে বারবার মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের প্রশংসা।
Just now Mamta Didi told me she walks 64,000 steps. And then Sajan and I are sitting with her. I said, oh, 64,000 a week. That's okay. She said, no, it's 64,000 steps every single day. And that is her energy that she has. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayar Mukh Swargo Sukh. It translates to a mother's space is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond.
जिस तरीके से हमारे बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ने प्रयास किया है, देश में भी दूसरे देशों के साथ बेहतर व्यापारिक रिश्ते, कई सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर, इंडस्ट्री को लेकर एक साथ चलने का एक कार्य योजना बनता है।
We have seen over the last several years how this state has transformed under the dynamic and visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister. Her boundless energy and passion to usher in a new paradigm of socio-economic progress, and congratulate you, Madam, for all that you have done to transform West Bengal.
Honorable Chief Minister, your humility, simplicity and steadfast commitment to nurturing Bhutan and West Bengal ties have touched the hearts of every Bhutanese. Mamata Didi is a household name in Bhutan, a reflection of the warmth and admiration our people feel for you and the people of Bengal.
নিউজ 18 বাংলা।
বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনে বাংলার প্রশংসা। মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর উদ্যোগে রাজ্যে লগ্নির পরিবেশ বললেন শিল্পপতিরা। বিভিন্ন সামাজিক প্রকল্পেরও প্রশংসা করলেন।
In today's fast-changing world, India has become a beacon of growth and hope. Within this fast-changing India, Bengal has become a source of growth and hope. Therefore, it is the best time for investing in Bengal as we are marching towards leadership based on technology and the power of our youth. Bengal's strategic location and fast improving physical infrastructure gives the state an enviable edge. But the biggest asset of Bengal is its people. Over 100 million hard-working, extremely talented and highly cultured people. In the emerging era of knowledge economy, your state has a special advantage because Bengal has always been a land of super intelligent people. When natural intelligence is enhanced by the capabilities of artificial intelligence, there is no way that Bengal can fail, and no power on earth can stop Bengal's resurgence.
It's a state which has got a vibrant industrial sector and extremely industry-friendly policies now with all the changes that have been made over several years. The focus on the social development, which has also received global acknowledgement, whether it's schemes like Bishwa Bangla to promote Bengal-made products, to Kanyashri to empower girl child, Lakshmi Bhandar for financial empowerment, and Swasthya Sati to offer healthcare insurance. They address a very important social requirement in the state.
We have, with the Honorable Chief Minister and the bureaucracy here, a very, very supportive and positive-looking, proactive support system that helps if you are having any difficulty. Of course, at times, regulatory processes take some time, but we've always found a keen ear to listen, to understand, and to find a solution. It's a very, very supportive and encouraging environment, and it is because of that that we have the courage and the willingness to continue to invest in the state.
We've now have assets of close to 40,000 crores in the state. We've been investing steadily. 20,000 crores of this has come in the last few years. And I must say we've had no issues whatsoever. Things have moved fast, clinically, and in a business-like manner. In addition to the 40,000 crores that we have invested in the state, we have another 10,000 crores in the pipeline under implementation in the fields of energy, healthcare, and education.